Hello there, it's Ellie here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the landing page builder within your Leadsleap account. Now I'm delighted to say that this is a completely free option, so if you have a free account on Leadsleap then you can use this feature as well. Okay, so first of all, in your Leadsleap account you just go down to the My Landing Pages and just click on this link and it will open the page that says My Landing Pages. Now I have already created several different pages here, so I'll just go through creating a new one. So you just click on Add a New Campaign and give it a name, so we'll just say Ellie Test and click on the Add Now. And you can see at the top here it gives you the notification that your new campaign was added, and the next thing then that you need to do is to start actually designing your landing page. So this is the one that we've just added, Ellie Test here, as you can see. The page itself has already been created, so this is the link to the actual page. But as I said, I haven't actually created anything yet. So what we need to do then is click on this one, Launch Editor. So whenever you've launched the editor, the first thing you're going to see is this little box over in the corner. So the first thing it will do is direct you on how to choose a list manager. So your list manager is your autoresponder account. And you can use the one that's in Leadsleap itself, or you can use a third-party list manager or autoresponder, or you can use without any opt-in form. So as far as I know, I'm not 100% sure, but as far as I know, you don't have the list manager with free account on Leadsleap. I'm just trying to think about this. Actually, I think you actually can send broadcasts without upgrading on Leadsleap, so maybe you do have this option. Okay, so if you do have this option, the Leadsleap List Manager, what I suggest you do is to literally just go down here first of all and click on Add New List. Once you've done that, you just need to log in again. And it'll take you to another page which says My Lists. So these are my different lists that I have. Just click on Add a New List, give it a list name, so we'll call it Ellie Test, and click on Add Now. Okay, so it tells you at the top here, new list has been added. You can see it at the top. So we'll just go back over to the landing page builder, because the new list one will have opened in a new tab. So what you're wanting to do is to link the list that we have just created, which is this one, Ellie Test. You want to link that list with the landing page that we're just about to create. So click here on Get List ID, and if you go to the bottom of your list, if you have other ones here, you just click on the one that has the name that you just added, and it's going to enter the list number in this little box for you. Okay, so once you've done that, you can then go forward into the next part, which is the template. So if you click on this is first step, this is your second step. So click on template. And when you're in here, there are different templates here that you can use. Now these are just suggestions. You can actually create any kind of landing page that you want using the landing page builder on Leadsleap. So we'll just choose this one. Okay, so I've just clicked on it and just waiting for it to open, as you can see. Okay, so this is the page that I have chosen. Now what you can do is you can literally keep the page the same as what it is already on the screen here, and just edit the text on it, or you can literally wipe out everything on the page and start again if you want to. So if you want to change sort of the background or the actual setup of the page, you need to go to this side. So you've got where we had already started, so a list, template. Now we have these extra options added. So we have background, we have rows, there's left, right, and you can show the visual here. So the row, if I click on the row here, it'll kind of highlight this. See this little red, the red marks around it. So this is this top one. Oh, sorry, trying to move it. This top part where it's all red around here. This is the row. The left row then is this one. The right row is this one. So if I want to add more rows, then I can just click on the plus. I can choose either a 1 column row or a 2 column row. So the top one here is a 1 column, this one is a 2 column row. So we'll say we want to add a 2 column row. So you can see now we've got one row at the top, which is this one. We've now got the left and right here, and now we've got an extra left and right underneath. So if I move the screen down, you can see, so this is an extra box has been added here, and I can go over here and an extra box has been added here. So that's the extra row that I have added. If I decide no, I don't actually want that, I can just go over here and use the delete button. So it now is back to what it was before. Now you can see as well that I'm also able to just literally move things around. So I can grab the text and move everything around, you know, whatever way I want to. If I want to move this back up again, I can now adjust this text. So as you're moving things, you kind of are selecting them. So if I click on this one, you can see over here at the side, this is the text. Shh, keep this a secret, will you? So that's that text. If I click on this one, then the text over here changes to my free guide will show you how you can build an online business using only free tools. So you just need to select something on the page. Oh, not like that. Just clicking on it, and then it'll show up over here on your right hand side. So say for example I don't really want that red line here, so I've clicked on it, so it's now open. This is the editor part for the little red line. So say I want to get rid of that, then I can just click here on the delete. So if I delete there, then it disappears from the screen. So if I want to move this back up again, and I can adjust the length or the size of the boxes just right. I don't know whether you can see that or not. There's like little lines there. I literally can just grab the lines and move them just up and down with my mouse. If I want to change this image, so I click on the image and you can see here it shows up on the box to the side. So this is the image URL for this particular image. So if I wanted to change it to a new image, then I just need to have the URL of that image. So I could change that in there if I wanted to. Say for example I just want to delete that. And then if I want to put another image in or something different in, you can click here on the add image element. So if I click there, you can see that it pops up in the box here. And I can, again, just using my my mouse, I can see the little boxes. Whenever I hover over it, there's like a little box appears just at the bottom. If you grab that, it will allow you to, you know, to use your mouse then to select it. So if I have another image then that I want to put in, then I'm just going to copy it into that box. So let's have a wee look for another image. So if I look for health header image on Google, and I click on images, there's one there for health. I can just right click, copy the link address. Oh, actually I need the image address, sorry. Copy image address, go back over to my landing page, paste the image in there, and there we go, it's now appeared on our landing page. So it's as simple as that to add an image to your landing page. Okay, so what else can I show you? The background. So if you wanted to change this background, as you can see at the minute, it's got like $1 bills in the background. So the background is over here to the left hand side. So I click on background, and the editor part comes up to this side. So it's currently set to an image, and this is the image URL. So if I wanted to change that, I could change it here if I just want it to be a plain color. So I can change the colors here. So, I want it this color. There we go. So the health logo now stands like quite nicely on that that darker image, or that darker background. What else? So you've got two different backgrounds. So you've got the page background, which is this one, the one that I've just changed, and you've got the content background. So say for example I wanted this, the white part here, if I wanted this to be a different size, I could say reduce this down to 500. So now my image is too big for the box, so I would need to squish it in a little bit. The text is also, so I can move that around. So I don't really want, do I want that? Well, I can take that off. I can delete that. So as soon as you click on it, the editor for that particular part of the landing page appears. So I can just delete that. So maybe I want that bigger. So if I want the background, so I'll go over to background again, content background, I'll take it up to, say I want it bigger, say 1,000. There we go. So it's now a lot bigger than it was. And I can again extend the image. Okay, so if I go down to the bottom, then you can see in this one, you've got in this guide you'll learn. So you can move the little arrow or the little ticks, or you can remove the text here. You can adjust the text underneath. So there's your text underneath. You can change the colour of the actual text itself, so maybe I want it to be blue. Over this side, you've got, say, free download. I could say something different there. I can just adjust the text. So I can say, get your health checklist today. There you go. So you can see it's kind of squished in there a little bit. So I can grab the little box at the end and make the box bigger. So there you go. These ones get your, is enter your email. So you can again adjust the size of these if you want to make the box seem a bit more balanced. Just adjust that out. And you can change the text in the button here if you want. So there's the text, claim your free health checklist. Now, okay, so say for example I have done all the adjustments that I want. I maybe wanted to extend these boxes a little bit. So I can do that. Okay, so say for example that's me finished. That's the landing page done that I want to show. Then I just go up to the top here, click on save. You have deleted row that is not confirmed. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I need to go over here to confirm I want to delete that. So that's yes. There we go. So now I can click on save. Work is saved. And I can click on the preview button. So this will show me what the actual page is going to look like. So that's the page as I have created. If I close that down again, it'll take me back over to the editor. And if I'm finished with that, I have already saved it. So all I need to do then is just close out of that tab, and I can go back then to the members area, and this is the landing pages. Now, before I actually copy the code, so this is the code for the landing page that I've just created. Actually, if I do this, I'll just highlight this code. You can obviously use the little copy box button there at the end. So this is the link. If I take that across into a new tab and paste that link, it will show me that there's no valid page in this campaign. That's because I haven't actually activated it yet. So if I go back over to the landing page option, go down to the bottom here, see this part? It says activate this page. It's currently inactive. If I click this little option here, this little toggle bar, then it's now on active. So if I try again and I paste the code, there you go. Now you can see the page. So if you make sure that you do that before you're sharing it anywhere, you know, make sure that it looks exactly the way you want it to look. And what I suggest you do as well, if you have an opt-in form, is that you enter your own email address in here, and then click on the button, and first of all it'll show you what's going to happen for anybody who wants to subscribe to your list. So this is exactly what it's going to show to your subscribers. But you can also then go back over to your landing page. If I refresh the page, you can see here that I have had one visitor, but it's not showing as an opt-in yet. That's because I haven't actually clicked on the link inside my own email. If I did that, then it would show up as an opt-in. Now, if I went over to the list, my email lists, you can see here, Ellie Test, 1 subscriber. If I open that up, it shows me my own email address and my name and the fact that I am unverified. Okay, so that's basically how you create the landing page using the Leadsleap landing page manager, or builder rather, and how you are looking at the email lists as well. Now, I will do another video about the different lists, you know, how to create emails in there, how to create your autoresponder, all that kind of stuff. I'll talk about all of that in another video. Okay, hopefully you found that helpful. Do let me know if you have any other questions about using the landing page builder in Leadsleap. Okay, talk to you very soon now. Bye.